Ministry of Healing, page 276. Ingon si Mrs. White, most persons would receive benefit from a cool or tepid bath every day. Bath every day. Kada adlaw maligo. Nganong kada adlaw maligo? Ingon si Mrs. White, morning or evening pa yun. Di man na matawag kada adlaw kung di ka maligo panahon Sabado. Morning or evening. Properly taken fortifies against cold. Maayo sa sipon-sipon. Okay? Unsa pa? Because it improves the circulation. The blood is brought to the surface and a more easy and regular flow is obtained. The mind and the body are alike invigorated. Oy, maabtik ka. The muscles become more flexible. The intellect is made brighter. Mabright ka.